Hi, I'm Richard Byrne. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can take your PowerPoint slides and quickly turn them into a narrated video presentation using a cool tool called Narakeet, which I've featured in a couple of other videos earlier this week using Google Slides and Canva. But for my PowerPoint friends, this is the video for you. Let's go ahead and take a look here. So I have my PowerPoint file here with my sample lesson. What's really important is that you have speaker notes written out. If you don't have speaker notes, your video won't have any narration because the tool we're going to use relies on those speaker notes for creating the narration for you. So the tool we're using is called Narakeet. You'll find it at narakeet.com. I'm going to select Create a Video Now and select From a Presentation. And let's go ahead and upload a file. I'm going to upload my PowerPoint file here. It's going to then use my PowerPoint file to create a video for me. Now, what's really important, besides having speaker notes, you also need to make sure you don't have any transitions or animations in your slides because those will get lost when converted into Narakeet. And we can see here, now we're ready. We can just go right to creating the video, or we can edit the settings. And here we can change the size of the video itself. So if we want to make sure that it's optimized for Twitter, we could, or optimized for Instagram, we could, or I'm just going to leave it the same as my presentation. We can change our language. You can change the voices. You can listen to any of the voices before you select them if you like. We can adjust our volume, adjust the speed, and we can choose some background music. You can see there's some default choices there. We can do no music, or you can even upload your own music if you like. And last but not least, we can add subtitles, and I'm going to select Overlay Always Visible. And now I'm going to create the video. And this process takes just a minute or two, and then we'll have an MP4 file that we can download and distribute anywhere that we would typically share video files, including YouTube, Vimeo, or just putting it directly into your learning management system. So we'll just give it a minute here, and then we'll have our video. So after a minute, we have our video. We can play it back.
Welcome, class. This is a lesson about social, emotional learning. I hope that you enjoy the lesson. Ask your class how they are feeling.
So if I'm happy with my video, I can just hit that download button and get it as an MP4 file. Or if I don't like something about it, I can go back and improve the video by changing the voice, changing the speed, or turning the captions on or off, or even changing out the background music. But I'm going to download mine now, and I'll have my MP4 file right there on my computer that I can use wherever I like. As always, for more tips and tricks like this, please check out freetech4teachers.com or subscribe to my YouTube channel.